In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the border from a text box in Word. Let's get started by opening the Word document that has the text box you want to edit. Make sure you can clearly see the text box on your page. If you're not sure what a text box is, it's usually a rectangle that contains text and can be moved around independently from your main document text. You might use it for callouts, side notes, or highlighted quotes. First, click once on the text inside the text box, or directly on the edge of the box. When the text box is selected, you'll see a border appear around it, with small circles or squares on the corners and sides. You should also notice that a new tab appears at the top of Word's ribbon, usually called something like Shape Format or Drawing Tools Format, depending on your version of Word. Now move your cursor up to that Formatting tab and click on it. This tab contains all the tools for changing how your text box looks, including its fill color, outline, and effects. We're interested specifically in the outline, because that's the border you want to remove. In the Shape Format tab, look for the option labeled Shape Outline. It's typically a small icon of a shape with a colored border. Click on Shape Outline to open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see options to change the border color, weight, and style. But the one we need is No Outline. Go ahead and click on No Outline. As soon as you do that, you should see the border around your text box disappear. The text box is still there, and you can still move and edit it. But visually, the border is now invisible, which is perfect if you want a cleaner, more seamless design in your document. If the border seems to come back when you click away, don't worry. Sometimes Word shows a faint guide just to indicate the text box when it's selected. To confirm it's removed, click somewhere else in the document so nothing is selected and look again. You should no longer see a solid border. You can repeat these same steps for any other text boxes in your document. Just select the box, go to the Shape Format tab, choose Shape Outline, and then pick No Outline. Once you get used to it, this process becomes very quick and helps your documents look more professional and polished.